Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for all of those who have joined today. Okay, today we're going to talk about market structure. Okay, market structure is all about identifying which way the trend is going. So first of all, identify the trend, figure out if it's in bullish or bearish mode, and if it is in bullish mode, okay, is it making higher highs and higher lows? And if it's in bearish mode, is it making lower lows as well as lower highs? For all of those who have subscribed, thank you very much. For all those who haven't subscribed yet, okay, do subscribe so you get more value from myself and all the content I'm going to give to you. Okay, share with all your friends, family. Okay, so let's get on with this. So first of all, let's try and identify a particular point to understand this. So I marked this particular area. So as price goes further up, it's made a higher high. As price goes further down, it's made a higher low. Okay, as price goes up, makes a higher high, and then as price goes up, it's made a higher low. So this is telling you straight away this is in bullish territory. So as we keep on doing this, so the low was here and the high was there. So each time if it makes a higher high, then it makes a higher low, it stay in bullish mode. It made a higher high, it made a higher low. But this time, it didn't make a higher high, but it did make a lower low, okay? So this could tell you that the trend could be ending, okay? So as market goes back up, it made a higher high and also a higher low. So this is telling you that the bullish run is still continuing. It made a higher high here, and it also made a higher low here. So it's going to go out of the consolidation zone and let's see where it goes. So it makes a higher high, then it makes a higher low, okay? And even if it goes here, making a higher low still. It's making a higher high. It didn't make a higher low. It made a higher high, then higher high, but it made a higher low. But this time, if you look carefully, it hasn't made a higher high. So this is telling you straight away that the market could be changing, okay? So in order to figure out, okay, where the market should be going, okay, look at the lows of the previous. So as long as particular lows are not taken out, the bullish run should continue. So this particular low in the future should not be taken out. So market, it hasn't made a higher high, but it is making a lower low. And then it starts to make a higher high, okay? And then it still makes a higher low. So the trend is still continuing, okay? So now it's made a higher high. And this particular low has been now jumped to here. So it's made a higher low here. And also made a higher low here. It's still within that zone, makes a higher high within the same zone. But this time, as price goes down from a higher high, it's making a higher low, but it's also making a lower low. So this is in line with this particular zone, telling you that the market could be reversing, okay? So within that area, okay, so you could be very, very skeptical. But overall, in terms of where the price really started, the price is still in an uptrend. So as it makes a lower high, and it's also made a lower low, okay? But this low hasn't been taken out because the low itself is over here. So the bullish run is still continuing. Makes a higher high, then it makes a higher low. Makes a higher high here, and it's also making a higher low. So as long as it keeps on doing that, the bullish run will continue. So now as we come to this particular area, we're going to see what price does, okay? So we have made a higher high, but we made here a lower low, but it didn't make any more highs. So it's making lower lows continuously, but it's not making higher highs. It's it's making lower lows. And what price does in a particular area is that it try and go back and then scare you so that it tells you that it's trying to go in a different direction. As long as highs are not made continuously from this particular example, the bullish run should still continue. So if you look carefully at what happened here, there's the high, but it didn't make a higher high, it's making a higher low. Okay, and now as price goes down from the top side, it's making a lower high compared to this. It's also making a lower high here, lower high here, and it's making lower lows. So there's the low before. It's making a lower low here. And now it's gone into bearish mode. You must be able to see this on most time frames to identify when the trend is changing, okay? If it stops making one or the other, meaning if it's making higher highs, it must make higher lows. If it doesn't make higher highs, but still makes only higher lows, that means the trend is going to be reversing very soon, okay? So this will tell you when to enter, when to exit, okay? And if you have found this video beneficial, do give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe to all your friends, okay? Thank you very much for today. Bye.